We need those sensors offloaded first. Keep the flow moving to intake B.
Okay, these are the RTK modules.
And the flight controllers go straight to the main shelves.
Test sequence 4 initiated on batch 7. All parameters nominal.
Roger that. Moving to station 12.
Reroute the sensor trays to zone 7.
Confirmed. The system is updating now.
Alignment looks good on the Z-axis.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Cable routing is complete.
Looks good. Proceed with the next unit.
Torque looks good on the RTK module.
Confirmed. LiDAR secure.
The phase alignment on channel 3 looks stable.
Confirmed. Synchronization is within tolerance.
Brackets engaged. Check the alignment sensors.
All green. The dry fit is successful.
Alignment looks good. Lock it down. Securing the mounts now. Cables connected.
The oscillation dampening looks good on the yaw axis.
Confirmed. Response curves are well within tolerance.
The telemetry link on UAV-3 is showing instability.
Noted. Adjusting the frequency hopping sequence now.
Pressure on the leading edge is spiking at this angle.
Confirmed. Adjusting the yaw stabilization now.
Initiating simulated sensor failure sequence.
We have stable response. The compensation algorithms are performing within tolerance.
Temperature gradient exceeding limits in the lower quadrant.
Acknowledged. Adjusting parameters.
Look at the temperature differential on Mount 3. It's fluctuating past tolerance.
I see it. Rerouting the nitrogen flow now.
Yaw rotation complete. All parameters green.
Confirmed. Stability verified.
Look at the strain readings on Sector 4. The curve is spiking rapidly.
I see it. The system is redlining. Logging the data. Check the strain gauge reading at node 4.
It's holding steady, but the load curve is peaking.
Revisando los cables. Confirmado. El montaje del sensor está correcto.
The noise profile here is higher than the acceptable threshold. Adjusting the dampening coefficient now, let's rescan. The alignment on the QR codes looks slightly off on the third pallet.
I see it. Let me adjust the sensor sensitivity.
The tension reading is spot on.
Confirmed. The stability looks good. We can release the pallet.
Drone data synced. We have a green light for the high priority shipment.
Understood. Alerting autonomous trucks now.
Verify the manifest for the UAV shipment.
Looks correct. Heading to Dock 3.
Seal affixed and secure.
Scanning now. Confirmed. We are clear for departure.
Verification complete on pallet 9. Get this to the main floor now.
How is the alignment on this one?
Much better. The reflection on the screen is gone now.
Pad 02. Confirm clear airspace.
Confirming staggered ascent on UAV 4 and 5.
Confirmed. Trajectory stable.
Altitude holding steady at 400 feet.
LiDAR sweep looks nominal. Proceed to waypoint 3.
The RTK signal is solid.
Optical markers confirming alignment on pad 3.
The sensor readings on the heat map look consistent with the previous run, sir.
Yes, and the LiDAR sweep confirms the altitude stability.
Your UAV is now ready for deployment.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Diagnostics are showing green across the board.
Excellent. These are ready for the morning session.
This gimbal stabilization is crucial for the mapping accuracy.
Absolutely, and the new sensor array we developed reduces the margin of error significantly.
Remember, the primary safety zone extends 50 meters out. Wind shear at this altitude is our main concern for mission success.
What about the updated NOTAMs for the afternoon?
Easy on the throttle. Watch your altitude readout here. Keep it steady, you're looking good. Hold that position. As you can see, the ascent is rapid. Now initiating the pre-programmed grid path. Watch the gimbal tilting for the LiDAR scan.
Parameters locked. Ready for launch sequence.
Confirmed. Drones ascending.
The horizontal accuracy on this run exceeded expectations, as shown by the RMSE.
And the density in the forested area.
All right, both units checked out, firmware is locked, and all accessories are accounted for. Here are your certificates.
Thank you so much. We're excited to get started.
Thank you for choosing our program. We wish you safe flights.
We enjoyed the course. Thank you. Safe flights.
Did the geofence update correctly on the staging server?
Yes, the boundary parameters are locked in now.
As you can see, the fleet is now fully synchronized. This allows for real-time collaborative mapping.
The data streams are secure.
Absolutely, all to
Fleet Kit 7-4 confirmed. Verified. Sending data now.
All right, bring it forward. Easy, easy. Clear on the ramp. Send it in.
Verification successful. The manifest checks out.
Good. Seal it and have the automated transport move it to sorting. Check the telemetry on Unit 7.
Confirmed. All systems green. Ready for launch.